Updating your address with Bank of America is a straightforward process that can be done quickly. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into online banking. Before changing your settings, use the shrok.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account information. Step 3. Select Address Update. In the Profile Settings, look for the option to update your personal information or address. Click on Update Address to proceed. Step 4. Enter new address. Input your new address details in the provided fields. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues with your account. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new address, review the information for accuracy. Then submit the changes and look for a confirmation message indicating that your address has been updated. Make sure to check your email or account notifications for confirmation of the update. Keeping your address current is essential for receiving important communications from your bank.